Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Noha. Hello. Miss, good morning.
Hello, my friends.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you all?
We are fine.
I hope you are fine all the time, inshallah. So, are you interested about the school next week, inshallah?
I will go.
Miss, I will not. I will go or I don't know. I don't know if I will go or not.
It's okay. It's okay. You know that if you didn't come, you will have recorded videos. Okay, and it's okay.
I will go.
Yes, Basil, I know you will.
I will go.
Yes. Anyway, guys, those who will come, I'm interested to see you. Those who will not come, I will miss your faces, guys, wallahi. But I will be able to see you because we will have an online session on let's see, Sunday, I think. Okay. Okay. Below, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions for me, sweetie? Below, are you with me?
Miss Noha,
Yes, you're
will we take a new chapter? Will we take a new chapter?
Today we'll continue the worksheet we did yesterday.
Finish.
We still have questions that we did not finish. But we will start a new chapter, inshallah, next week. Not a new chapter, new lesson.
Okay.
Okay?
New lesson?
Yes.
Okay.
So are you guys interested about everything? Yes, Reem.
I will go to school next week.
Inshallah, I'm so happy to see you.
The sheet too.
I'm so happy to see you, inshallah.
I may go, I may not go.
Okay, Muhammad, it's up to you and your parents to choose. Anyway, guys, those who will be
Miss, I wanted
in
to
home,
say
you will
something
have
to
an
you.
online sessions. I'm sorry, recorded videos, and all of you will have an online session once a week. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, and I am totally interested, of course, to meet the newcomers. Okay, so do you have any questions before we start? Do you guys have any questions before we start?
No, Miss, no.
Any questions? Okay, we will start the worksheet, or question B to be specific, in the worksheet. Let me share my screen. Can you guys see my screen now?
It is loading.
Okay, just give it time.
Yes, I can see it.
Yes,
Yes,
Rugmini,
now
you
I can
raised
see
your
it.
hand. Yes, Rugmini, you raised your hand.
All the examples, such as
Rugmini, come closer to the mic, please. I tell you this every time. Come closer to the mic so I can hear you.
Okay, 1 minute.
Take your time, sweet. Okay, guys. I remember also we left number 11 unsolved, right? We didn't answer number 11. Yes, I told you guys to leave it till the end. Give me time.
Miss, can you
Yes.
hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now.
Miss, could I answer this? Miss, could I answer this, please?
Should we learn all the examples?
Yes, yeah. Just
Miss,
give me her time to talk, and
Could I
yes,
answer
you
this,
will
please,
answer the
miss?
first one. Okay, Iyad?
Huh?
Idu. Was it Iyad or Abdurrahman Karim who was asked saying that he wants to answer the first one?
No, Ido, I miss
I said
Ido.
Hello?
Yes,
Ido.
Yes, Iyad. Okay,
Me.
you will answer the first one, but just give
Plant.
Rugmini time for her to finish what she wanted to say. Yes, Rugmini.
Okay, of course.
Should we learn the examples such as the pillow balls, and the puff balls, and oyster, the mold, oyster mushrooms? Hello?
You
Miss
mean about the fungi?
Rugmini,
Yes. Should we learn the examples?
Yes, just know them for your knowledge. But the most famous one is the mushroom. It's a lot easier for you to remember. If I wanted to ask you a question about it, it will be about the mushroom. I'm not gonna say a lot of examples
Yes.
for fungi because it's kind of hard for you guys to learn this year yet. Okay.
Okay,
But
thank
just
you.
you have to learn about how the fungi get food. Just guys, give me time, please. Just give me a moment to finish talking. You will learn about how the fungi get their food. You can learn the example for mushroom as one example. It's okay. Okay, Ugmini? So that means I will not ask you for a lot of examples for fungi. You will not be asked for a lot of examples. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you, Iyad, for giving Gurmini time to talk. Thank you so much. Thank you, Muhammad, for giving me time to talk. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have Abdurrahman Kareem. Abdurrahman, you raised your hand. Do you want to ask a question or answer a question?
I want to answer the second question.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Okay, so just give me a
The second
second.
one.
Muhammad, you wanted to say something?
yes, I wanted to ask a question.
Yes, Muhammad.
Like when miss, like when we're having a quiz, from where to study?
Well, I uploaded sheets for you, sweetie. I uploaded study sheets for you on the SMS. Did you see it?
Yes.
You have a summary for each lesson. Do you have these on the SMS?
Yes. Miss, you posted a couple of sheets. I made it all.
Yes.
Should we post it to you?
No, I'm talking about the study sheets, sweetie, not the worksheets.
Okay.
Can you see the study sheets on the SMS?
Yes, I saw it.
Okay. يعني الحمد
So
لله you
this
can
is
see
yes, this is the study sheets from where to study, right?
Yes, you can study from the study sheets or the book. You have two places to read from. The book will have more images, of course, and the study sheet is only a summary, and it just points to the most important points in the lesson. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So you can study from book. Yes, we'll start with Idu, which is Iyad.
I am Idu.
Yes, Idu. Yes, we said that I'm gonna call you Idu and Iyad Aden, so we can make a difference between you guys. Okay, so we have question B. Number 1, plants need 4 things to make photosynthesis. Yes, Idu.
Chloroplast, sun, water, carbon dioxide.
Yes, water.
I said water, chloroplast, carbon dioxide, and sun.
Water. The sunlight, yes. Is that the carbon dioxide?
And chloroplast.
Well, the chloroplast is in their cells.
Or chlorophyll. Or chlorophyll.
We can say that they also need nutrients. Plants will grow without nutrients, but sometimes they do need
Miss,
nutrients. They
can
need
we?
water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and of course to have chlorophyll in your cells, just like Ed said. Okay? So guys, if you wrote number 4 as nutrients, it's okay. If you did like Ed did and wrote chloroplast, it's okay.
Like it's the right answer?
Yes, that's right. Okay? Thank you, Eden. Thank you as usual. Thank you as usual.
Miss, can we write soil with them or no?
Yes, that's another thing. Yes, they need a place or space. So can we write it here? Space. You can say soil. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, it's very important for the plant to find a space to grow in. I mean, if there is no space for the plant to grow in, it will not grow. Okay? Again, guys, if there is no place for the plant to grow in, the plant will not be able to grow. Okay?
Miss, we can write sugar.
No, be careful, Abdurrahman. Well, you're so, intelligent to ask this question, actually. You're so intelligent, mashallah. Well, but the sugar is made after the photosynthesis. It's a product of the photosynthesis. So the plants, make photosynthesis so they can get the sugar. But they also need energy to do photosynthesis, but they get the energy from the sun then. Do you get it now?
Miss, I wanted to answer the
Abdurrahman Kareem, there is something with your mic because I can't hear you and your voice is so far.
I wanted to answer the question.
You wanted to answer the second question, okay. Why are plants and fungi in separate groups? Why do you think they are in separate groups?
They are in different groups because plants make
I can't hear you. Your voice is so far. Can you come closer to the mic?
because
Yes.
plants do make their own food, and
Because plants can make their own food. That's right.
fungi.
Yes. While fungi. Your voice is so far, sweetie. Come closer to the mic. Yes. While fungi.
Miss, let him put earphones.
Yes, Abdurrahman Kareem. You said because plants can make their own food, while fungi?
Don't make their own food.
Yes, they need, can't make their, while fungi can't. Food, they need to absorb, yes, it from the remains of
There's a problem.
plants and animals.
Miss, you wrote
So,
absorb from.
I'm sorry.
The problem.
Okay.
Miss, I want to say something. Can I say something?
You want to say something?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, just give me 1 second. Number 2 says, why are plants and fungi in separate groups? Why in separate kingdoms? Why do we have them in 2 kingdoms? We have a whole kingdom for plants and a whole kingdom for fungi. And that's because, yes, we know fungi and plants do not move. Like they look like each other. But, I mean, fungi do not go and hunt for their food. but there's total difference between them. Plants have chloroplasts inside their cells that allow them to make their own food by the photosynthesis process. That's what we're talking about. While fungi do not have chloroplasts in their cells, that's why they can't make their own food. They need to absorb it from the remains of dead plants and animals. Okay, guys? Do you get this point? Do you have any questions about this part? Yes, Abdurrahman Karim. Do you still want to say something about this question?
Starting from MA for the second make all of the words, I can see the rest of the word.
You can see the rest of the sentence. Maybe it's just loading for you, sweetie. The screen's still loading for you.
Oh, no.
Abdurrahman, can you go get your headphones, because your voice is so far. Please get a headphone to use, okay? And then you can come back and say whatever you wanted to say, because it's really hard to hear you. Muhammad, you wanted to say something? Yes, Muhammad.
Miss, do you remember what you just said, the last thing?
What do you mean?
Would you said like the plants have chloroplast, which is made by the photosynthesis?
I said that plants have chloroplasts inside their cells that allow them to make photosynthesis. Yes, allow them to make their own food by photosynthesis process. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. In this sentence, you said I was gonna say the exact same thing.
Inshallah. Yes, I know, Muhammad. I know you're amazing. As I said before, grade 4, and as I always say, grade 4 is one of the best. You are, guys, one of the best. And not because we are just in grade 4 session now. It's just, this is the total true. You are one of the best, wallah. Inshallah. I hope you will stay the same until you are in grade 12. Like, you will never change. I hope so. Inshallah. So, and I'm really proud to be your teacher. This is real, wallah. Okay? And I can't wait to see you next week, inshallah. I can't wait to see you next week, inshallah.
And I am proud to be your student.
Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you so much. That will make me cry. Yes, Abdurrahman Karim, now you're back.
I am Edo.
I'm here and I left my headphones in first hand.
I can't hear you, sweetie. Can you repeat the sentence, please?
I just came and I left my headphones in first hand. He told me to bring. He left his headphones.
I can't hear you, Abdurrahman. I have a problem hearing you.
He told me to bring my headphones. But
Yes, I told you to bring your headphones. Yes.
I traveled there and I left it in first hand.
Okay, it's okay. But you can get closer to the mic, okay?
That's what I'm.
This is as close as you can get. It's just your voice is so far that I cannot hear it well. This is a problem I'm facing.
Miss, maybe the device he's using, its speakers is a little bit broken.
Maybe, yes, maybe. Okay. So number 3, guys, let me pick Wugmini, and then Reem will answer the question after it. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So can you, Rukmini, tell me how are plant and animal cells alike? How they are alike?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. They both have vacuoles.
Yes, they
Both have vacuoles. They both have vacuoles, nucleus.
Yes, just let me sit with you. They both have vacuoles. Yes.
Nucleuses.
Nucleus. Huh?
Mitochondria.
Totally right, inshallah. Just let me get this in red
Hello?
color so you can see it. Yes. Wait for me. Nucleus, mitochondria.
And cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Yes.
And they have some cell membrane.
and cell membrane.
Miss, you know what?
But if you ask me how are plants and animals different, I would say they are different because plants have cell membrane and chloroplast,
And
but
chloroplast.
animals don't.
That's right. Thank you, Rumi. Thank you as usual. Big hands for you guys.
Miss, you
Big
wrote
hands for all of you.
mitochondria.
Yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. Of course, I didn't mean to do so, but my hands are a little bit slippery because they are splitting now. That's why they are so slippery. Okay, so as Rukmini said, plants and animals have both in them. They both have similar things. Both of them have vacuole, as she said, but there is one big vacuole in the plant cell and small mini vacuoles in the animal cell, but still both have vacuole. Both of them have nucleus, which is the control center, controls all the activities in the cell, so it must be there. Mitochondria, because both of them need their food to be turned into energy. Plants need to turn the food they get, which is sugar, into energy so they can use to grow, to produce seeds and whatever. Animals also need to turn the food we eat into energy so we can do our 7 life process, breathing, running, lots of stuff. Both of them have cytoplasm, that's right, because the cytoplasm is the jelly-like liquid found in the cell that allow all the components inside the cell to float inside of it. And both of them have cell membrane. Cell membrane is like the walls of the glass that controls everything, but keeps everything inside. The same for the cell membrane; it keeps everything inside. And as Rukmini said, she said, if I wanted to say how they are different, I would say that plant cells have cell wall, and they also have chloroplasts, and they have chloroplasts because they make their own food, and the cell wall gives them more strength and protection. Thank you, Rukmini. Thank you so much. Guys, do you have any questions about this part?
No.
Nope.
I hope you all don't have a problem, guys. If you still don't understand anything, just tell me.
Miss, I think this is the easy chapter I've ever seen.
That's good, Muhammad. Malak,
In
Bilal.
grade 4.
Guys, Malak, Bilal, do you guys have a problem? Do you need to ask questions?
Me.
Malak and Bilal, do you need to ask questions? Farida Shayawi, do you need to ask questions?
Miss,
I still don't understand the session.
Miss Naha,
Yes, Farida.
no.
Rukmini, give me a second. Yes, Farida.
I still don't understand
You still do not understand the
the
lesson.
lesson. Yeah.
Well, Farida, you found the online sessions that we had before on the SMS.
Yeah.
Yes, you can go and check them, okay? And if you still do not understand anything, anyway, you're coming back to the school, inshallah, next week. We got set together and I can explain everything for you from the beginning. It's okay for me.
I sadly cannot go to
Miss
school.
You will not come?
No.
Okay, we'll have online sessions. We'll still have online sessions and extra sessions for you guys because you will have more questions. So, Farida, please go watch the previous sessions. Guys, for those who do not understand the lesson, please go watch the previous sessions, okay?
Miss
You already watched them. Who's saying that? Who's saying that? Farida, you already watched them. Are you sure you watched all of them?
Yes.
Yes, and you still do not get the lesson.
Yeah.
Farida, I will do a revision session as soon as possible, okay? But you can go and re-watch them again if you want. Until then, I will see what I can do. Like I can get you some study sheets to help you with this. We will do a whole revision about this lesson, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay?
No.
Yes. But
then
this is Farida, if you don't understand lesson 1 and 2 or just lesson 2?
Both.
Both of them, Farida. This is a big problem. Yani we've been doing online sessions for 2 weeks, and you just coming now to your senses to understand that you don't understand anything.
More
Like,
than
where
2
were
weeks.
you, Farida? Guys, please give me time to talk, please. I will mute you all. I'm talking to Farida now. So, Farida, where were you the previous 2 weeks? I kept saying, guys, do you understand? Guys, do you understand? Guys, do you have any questions?
Yes, I'm
I keep
in the
asking
class.
that. I can't hear you. What?
I was in the class
Yes,
with
but
you,
why
but
didn't you answer me then? When I kept saying, guys, do you understand?
tell
Guys, do
you,
you have any questions?
I tried to tell you.
Well, I never heard you. You have Muhammad and Abdurrahman and Rukmini, Reem, all of them are talking and answering all the time. And I do hear
I
them.
tried to,
Malak,
yes, I tried.
Malak once told me that she doesn't understand. Malak Walid, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, Malak. So Malak once told me that she doesn't understand and told her she can go watch the online sessions again. But you never came back to me and told me if you understood or you didn't.
Yeah, the this I watched them, but I don't understand the that at once you told me. Why didn't you tell me in the previous sessions?
Yes.
That session I didn't understand the lesson.
Yes. Did you go and watch the online sessions?
Yeah,
All of them.
yeah.
Guys, this is a big problem. I think you can't cope with the online learning. Like, you need to be,
Yeah,
face to face with
I
it.
only understand when we be like in the class, but I don't
Yes,
understand
same.
in the online session.
It's okay.
Miss, I
It's okay.
understand.
Yes, I know. Some people have a problem with this, Muhammad. It's okay. Some people do
Miss,
not understand the online
Okay,
sessions.
yes. Okay, but
Malak, are you coming to the school next week?
yes,
Yes, Malak. Okay, you can have extra sessions with me. Okay, we'll talk about the previous lessons. For Farida, if you're not coming, Farida, because you're saying that you're not coming, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, Farida. It's okay. I will think about something for you. I will try to also use some other videos plus the online sessions, like some YouTube videos for you. Maybe it will make it a lot easier if you have a lot of images and a lot of movement in the video. Okay.
Okay.
Miss
Until I figure out what should we do, inshallah, in our
Naha,
next session. I think it will be on Sunday. I think. Yes.
Miss
Okay, Farida,
Naha,
but Farida, it's okay. It's okay, Farida. But let me tell you something, Farida. Fix the problem of not
Miss,
understanding. Yeah, with Mini. Wait, I'm talking. Just give me a second. Farida, for not understanding the online sessions. I know it's a problem, but it's okay. A lot of people have the same problem, Farida. So do not worry about this. Like, I don't know, if I were a student like you and I were listening to online sessions, maybe I will not understand too. But what I would have done is to watch these online sessions multiple times, like to watch them again and again and again. I never get bored of them. I will try to put links for you for other YouTube videos that will maybe help you through that until I figure out what should we do. Okay?
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
great. So it's okay, Habibti Wallahi, do not worry about this. It's okay if you don't understand or get any of the online learning, because some people do, understand when they have a lot of movements around them, or if the teacher is, standing there. It's okay. Some people do have this. Others do understand from any point, but it's not bad to have this problem too. It's okay about this. Okay? Okay, so I will try to put links for you on the SMS of others' videos, and please, Farida, please try to re-watch the online sessions. Like, try to watch them multiple times. Okay?
Alright. Okay.
Miss, so in the
Okay,
break, I will take with you some sessions.
if you want, yes, but of course not in all the break. Yeah, and do not worry about this. You will be able to have a break with your friends. Okay, Malak, we can
Okay.
take you in maybe substitution sessions. If you have a teacher that is absent or something, I can take you in these sessions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So do not worry about this. You will not, need a lot of time.
It's
You are
not
so
about
smart,
that.
Malak.
I
So
just want to understand because in the online sessions I don't know why, but I don't understand.
yes, some people get sleepy in the online sessions. It's okay. It happens all the time too. Okay, so guys, let me continue this. So we have Malak and Faye. The others, if there are others, guys, who do not understand what's going on, I'm all ears for you guys. Bilar, are you with us? Bilar, are you with us?
Yes, I'm Abdul
Yes,
Yes, I am
Abdurrahman,
with you.
I can't hear you. Yes, Abdurrahman.
I'm using a new sheet of this. The sheet from yesterday.
I can't hear you. What?
I'm using a new sheet of this. Is the sheet from yesterday.
No, sweetie, this is the sheet from yesterday. We're continuing the questions we did not answer. Okay?
Miss,
Okay.
the sheet.
Yusuf, you raised your hand. Do you have any questions? Yusuf.
Yes, I don't know the animal cells and the plant cell.
Habibi, you'll find the online sessions on the SMS explaining both plant cell and animal cell. Go watch them again, like I told Farida. And if you still do not understand anything, if you're coming to the school, inshallah, we will talk about them together, okay? Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
Because now we don't have enough time. We will try to finish the, we'll try to finish.
Miss, can I answer? I did answer today.
Miss, you told me that I will answer.
Miss, please, I want to answer, please, yeah, Miss.
Yes, who did I told them to, that they're going
Miss.
to next?
Miss, I didn't answer today خالص.
Okay, Muhammad, okay, we still have more questions. I told Dream that she will be next, right? I told Dream that she will be next.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, so Muhammad, you will be answering number 5.
And I want to answer number 6.
Okay, Reem, would you like to answer number 4?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Reem. What do all one-celled organisms have? What do you think all one-celled organisms have?
I can't say it, but see.
Can see the question?
No, I can't see it, but see.
I can't hear you.
I can't say the word.
Oh, okay. Can you spell it for me?
CHLO.
No, chloroplasts?
Yes.
Well, guys, this is a tricky question. It says, what do all one-celled organisms have? Okay? All one-celled organisms, like the bacteria, the protists, well, for example, if I wanted to say nucleus, for example, if I wanted to say nucleus, that would be wrong because bacteria, for example, do not have nucleus inside of them. Okay? If I wanted to say chloroplast, like Reem and Muhammad said, or I don't know who was talking, but if I wanted to say chloroplast, that would be also wrong because bacteria, for example, not all of them, they don't make photosynthesis, not all of them make photosynthesis. The same for protists or the unicellular organisms. Not all of them do photosynthesis. Some of them do hunt their prey. So that means I can say chloroplast, right? If I said cell wall, well, the cell wall is only found in the plant cell and it's not found in others. So the only thing that is there for all the one-celled organisms is the cell membrane. Yes, and I said that before, guys. The the cell membrane? Because we need the cell membrane to keep everything inside. So whether it's a plant cell, it's an animal cell, it's a bacteria, it's an amoeba, or whatever the unicellular is, it needs cell membrane to keep everything inside. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, guys. Now you get this point?
Yes.
I hope
Yes.
you do. I hope you do, guys. Okay, Muhammad, you can answer the next one.
Okay. How are bacteria commonly grouped?
Yes, how do we group them? By size, by shape,
We
by
group
what?
them. We group them by shape.
Yes,
Bacteria.
that's right.
I want to say something more.
Yes, you can say.
Bacteria comes in rod shape, ball shape, and spirals. Bacteria
Yes.
also can be found individual, which is come in chains, colonies, and pairs.
MashaAllah.
Miss number
Yes,
four
that's
what?
right, Muhammad. Yes, that's right. That's totally right. MashaAllah. Yes, so we group
Number four
the
what?
bacteria by shape. That's right. We have the rod shape, and we have the spiral shape, and ball
Balls.
shape. That's right. And we can find them if they are living alone
Number four
or
what?
number 4. You need number 4. It's gonna be cell membrane.
Number four what?
Cell membrane.
Membrane.
Cell membrane. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Thank you so much. Number 6. Which two groups make up for tests? Can someone tell me this one? Adit, would you like to answer this question?
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Which two groups make up protists? Algae and protozoans.
Algae and
Protozoans.
protozoans. Bravo. Yes, that's right, Adito. Algae and protozoans. We just said that when you guys were writing after me. Yes, we have algae that act like plants and protozoans that act like animals. That's right. Thank you, Adito. Yes, that's right.
Miss.
So the two groups are algae and protozoans. Thank you, guys.
Miss Noha.
Yes, who's saying Miss Noha?
Me, Jumana.
Yes, Jumana.
When the session is done, we will join again.
Yes,
Yes,
we
please.
still have 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll try to join again so we can finish this sheet today, inshallah. What are the 3 systems that make up vascular plants? Okay, we have Tia. Tia, you raised your hand. Do you need to answer this question or you wanted to say something? Yes, Tia. You raised your hand.
Miss Tia left.
Left the group? Oh my God. She didn't want to answer this question so badly. Okay, Yusuf.
I think,
Yusuf, you raised your hand. Do you want to answer this question? Yes, I think there is a problem with her internet connection. Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf.
I forgot to lower my hand.
Yusuf, do you want to answer number 7?
أصلا نسينا حاجة اسمها بروتوزوم.
Protozoans, guys. It's not protozoan. It's protozoan. Yes,
Miss, I want to
Yusuf.
answer.
Yusuf. I was saying Yusuf, Muhammad. You answered before. Yusuf, do you want to answer number 7?
تتبرطز معي.
No, I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay.
Okay.
So, who wants to answer this question, guys? What are the 3 systems that make up vascular